Burry is at war against the Matrix, and he has placed a $1.6 billion short betting against the market. And if you don't know who this guy is, then you need to remember the Big Short. You know that guy who was on the drums doing the crazy shit? This guy, yeah. Well, this is the real person, Michael Burry. And he is betting against the market for a second time. And if you remember what happened in the movie, you've seen that he backs and puts his money where his mouth is and is usually right. So what does this mean for the crypto market? You see, Michael Burry was immortalized for the film The Big Short for calling out the impending house crisis that nearly crippled the global economy and making a bunch of money in the process. His name has reached legendary status. So when he's making big moves, especially big moves against the market, people pay attention. And I think that this might line up and help us hit this 200 moving average and allow us to get some amazing buys for Bitcoin. And this should be the last time where we get these last buys in where we can ride it out for the rest of this cycle. And if you're new here, this is the strategy that we are following. We are following a long-term strategy where we are looking to buy as much crypto as physically possible and make as much money as humanly possible before March 4th, 2024, get as many mid caps and Bitcoin as possible and ride it out into 2025 and 2026. So if you're sat on the sidelines right now and you're saying, okay, should I be buying crypto? Absolutely. Because we have seen the lows for Bitcoin. In my opinion, we have seen the lows for Bitcoin. If it goes lower, who cares? We'll buy more. But in my opinion, we've seen the lows. This now is 1 year before BTC halving, and this is when we're buying mid caps. And if we look at the smaller time frame, right? If we look at the smaller time frame, I'll remove this here to make it a little bit cleaner for you guys. You'll see that there's only a few percent in this, right? There is only a few percent in this move, but it means a lot for altcoins. Like once Bitcoin here pulls back to the 200 EMA, which is about a 6.97% move, we'll start to see altcoins, like major altcoins, like Rune, for example, and some of the other top 5 altcoins, which I'll be doing a video on very soon, start to pull back and see some amazing prices to buy, right? Let's take FTM, for example, right? FTM on a daily basis, right, when the market's actually moving, can make huge volatile moves. I mean, look at some of these daily candles, guys. Like over a week, you're talking 25%, right? That's 2 days, 25% in 2 days. That's unheard of in the stock market, right? Michael Burry would fucking lose his head, right, if he was making 25% moves. And when BTC dumps, right, if theoretically it dumps, right, that means we'll be able to catch these types of levels for FTM. We'll be able to come down and hit stuff like not 16 cents, 15 cents, right, which for FTM is 30%. So that's kind of my strategy here, right? I'm following Bitcoin. I'm keeping my eyes on it. I'm staying sharp, and I'm saying, okay, if BTC comes down and hits that 200 EMA, I'll go to my longer term horizon and I'll go, okay, let me grab a bag of some mid caps, right? A few of my clients, I've had one client come through who's investing over 1.2 mil, and another client come through who's investing 500K. And with both of these guys, I'm saying the same thing, right? Patience, set your targets, but first of all, get involved, right? Get involved. And that's the strategy, okay? I'm going to leave that one there for you guys. That's a quick update. Remember, Michael Burry is a smart guy, and he puts his money where his mouth is. He's got big balls. He's taking a big risk, and he's betting that the market's going down. So let me know in the comments, guys, where do you think Bitcoin's next move is?